So I haven't vlogged in a long time. My new thing is I've been trying to do designs for embroidery, be able to like print them and outline them. And so I've been working on learning how to do all of that. Probably tomorrow I'll have more time to work on it, but I'll kind of show you what I have so far in my progress, my embroidery designs. Yeah, I'll just take you along. So we just got back and I just wanted to show you. This is my little project that I've been doing, which I'm trying thread painting, but if you can see, I'm not doing such a great job at it. I have a petal here, but it's not really blended in all that well. It's a little bit difficult. So these are little, I don't know what they call them. It's the center of the flower with the little pollen on the top and then the leaves, but I'm not very optimistic about this one. But that's one of the projects that I've kind of left behind. I've started other ones that are more simpler, that are not thread painting. So that one is just always out there in case I feel like working on it a little bit more. But currently I have been trying to do some designs on Procreate. I have a couple of them. I just can't like wrap my head around like the sizing of how people do sizings for like 6-inch hoops or 5-inch hoops. I think I just need to really look into it and I'll figure it out. But right now I've just drawn out some designs. So I'll show you that. Okay, so these are the little designs that I've made. This is on a regular paper, like printer paper. I was thinking these would be like kind of like a stick and stitch paper designs. And so it's like on sticky paper and it prints these and you could just cut them out and paste them wherever you want. I just need these 2 squares and I was thinking maybe some sort of like design across these. And yeah, and then this one will be done. So I'm gonna work on these 2 designs and see if maybe I could print something out because I also have like the sticky paper ready to go. So we'll see how much I can do today. Other than that, let me show you. I have this one that I did before. So there's this one and then I have like different color versions. There's that and this one and this one. And then I did a pumpkin I'm still working on. Yeah, I wanna get more designs on here. And then this is like the first one that I tried, so it's very basic. Again, I wanna maybe erase some of these lines down here and then add more leaves surrounding it. But then again, I don't know the sizing portion, so still need to learn about that. I'm thinking I'll do something like these, so probably add some of these that I don't have on my design. Maybe longer versions, but I don't know if I like these long petals. We'll see what I come up with, but I'll use that as inspiration. So it's Tuesday now. Yesterday I didn't really do anything with my designs. The last little square that I was missing for my smaller design drawings, I already did. So I think today I'm going to try to print it out. So I basically got these water soluble stabilizers. 15 sheets in here and it was $5 on Amazon. And we'll see how good these are. I think they're a really good deal. I'll show you guys the whole process of when I print it out. And then I could just basically stitch on anything. So I was thinking I would stitch on some hats that I have. I don't know how I would do it though, because what I drew out, they're like little bunches of flowers. And I did also want to do like some sort of like type vine in between all the square designs. I might actually still have to draw some more in there, but I'll make it my goal to print it out today. I guess I'll just do all of that after I'm off from work.